Alright, let's solve the Leetcode problem. So Leetcode problem is a number substring containing all three characters. So I think that is similar to the yesterday problem with the sliding windows. So we are given like the inputs of string. We have to return the number of substring that contain at least one occurrence of all three characters A, B, and C. So the good thing is that the given string is start from the initial value of 3 of size, including A, B, C, middleman, and up to the I think 50,000. So yeah, so the constraint is in the range of manageable. And then let's see if we have an array of like A, B, C, A, B, and C. What we want to do is we want to keep track of the ABC that we could create according to the numbers. So yeah, so we have this two pointer created in here. Let's see, we have like ABC, we got 1. How about ABC and A? Also the 1 because at least contain the minimum of ABC, and ABC, AB, so which is represent these 3 in here, and ABC, ABC double, which is taking the whole array, so which is a total 4, including this. And then BCA, so we move the left pointer here and the right pointer reset here. So that cover the count of 5, and then BCAB, which cover this one, and then BCABC, which cover this one, and then CAB. So every time we reset, what we want to do is we will check the total count size of 3, and then it's include the CAB, which is total 8, and then CABC, and then ABC again, so which make us a total count of 10 in here. So the same for the example 2. So we have A, and then ABC, and then AABC, so we got the 3. But for the example 3, we only get 1 because there's only 3 counts at the moment. So I think we can start writing the code in here because this is quite straightforward. So as always, I will convert the string into the manageable character. Let's go character this time, real s, and then let's go count is character. Maybe characters with the plural is much more makes sense. And then we have 2 pointer as always. Now we have a reset. So for doing the right pointer in 0 to count, what I want to check is, since the ABC is the only limited number, maybe we can create the character count in here, which is a dictionary for character and in. Like A is initially 0, and B and C. Right, that solves everything. And then next is creating the character. Let's consider we have a right index. We need to know what is the right character. So that will be the index of character of right. And yeah, we will calculate the character count will be the right character of therefore value of 0 to increment 1. After that, so we can start calculating like character count of A, and default is 0, is more than 0. So what we are going to do is, after we run through all the loop, we will calculate like we have all the data we need inside the character count. Second one is a B. F1 is 0 is greater than 0, and last one is C. And then we're gonna append the result with the count minus right. And so after the window is valid, what we need to do is we want to move the character. So we want to calculate the left character will be the character of left, which is we got from here 0, because the right is a constant, always moving like across in here like this. Then we're gonna move the left to increment in 1 like this. So in here, what I'm going to do is left plus equal to 1. So before we increment, I will apply the character count of left character by default of 0 to 1. Oh wait, I have to reduce, not increment, because we are moving away from the left index. So if we move from here to there, so we need to definitely drop the A from here. It's no longer here. Alright, so if everything went well, we can return the result right away. Let's try to do the dry run in locally first. Not sure about my solution. Okay, I think that's pretty straightforward. Maybe I have solved this maybe 3 years ago, but I forgot already. Okay, let's try to submit it. I think for the time complexity, oh, all right, we have received the award for June. For the time complexity, that will be the O of n, because we are just having the one iterated loop, and then for the space complexity will be the O of 1, because we don't have any spare memory, because this is just a pure dictionary with the manageable size of ABC, only 3. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and see you in the next one. Bye.